Hey, in this video I want to show you how I upcycle one of these candle containers. So firstly I painted the used candle container white. Of course I cleaned it before, and then I applied this cute rice paper on it, and this will be a very quick tutorial. So I applied a little bit of decoupage glue onto the container itself, then I placed the rice paper on it, and then I seal it with more decoupage glue, making sure there is no excess of the glue because that will dry out white, not clear. And I applied all these images of cute kittens on my container, and then I painted around my container with acrylic paints, going even inside of the rice paper for better blending. And as usual, all materials I used will be listed in description box below, so after watching this video go ahead and check them out. And yeah, here you can see I'm trying a little bit to blend, so I use a dabber for it and white acrylic paint. Then on bottom of my container I applied some brown paint, and also I tried my best to do some blending. If you enjoy watching such videos, please do give me a thumbs up or a nice comment, or please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It will mean a lot to me. And here, as you can see, I do a little bit of shading. I am not good at shading, I must admit it, and if somebody who is really good at it sees this thing is thinking, oh my god, what is she doing? So I'm doing my best, and I always use my fingers for it. And usually I do like the outcome, so it works for me. So always find a way which works for you. If it works some other way, just do it. I mean, yeah, there are many styles it can be done. And now I am applying some dots around my container, and on top of my container I am adding some paint as well with some dabber, and then I let the whole thing dry before I'm going to seal it. So, and especially on top of my container. Yeah, and now it is time for my trusted, of course, glitter decoupage glue, and I am applying all the way around my container. Then I let it dry, and I am sorry I forgot to show you how I sealed it. I sealed it with pouring glaze, and here it is all finished, and it can be used as flower container. So I hope you enjoyed this quick video. If you did, please do give me a nice comment or a thumbs up. Until next time, bye bye.